I got started on this before I started filming. Whoops. All right, so what you're going to do is you are going to decide if you are going to have a warm color scheme inside your shape or a warm color scheme in your background, so behind your tree. So the shape is the circle or the triangle or whatever you drew here, and your background is the grid behind all of that. Okay? In the example, they used a warm color scheme for inside the tree and a cool color scheme for the background. The example on the board or in the slideshow, because they wanted to have a green down here for like grass, and then they could have blue and purple up here for the sky. You decide, but you have to keep it consistent. So I've already started coloring blue here. So what color scheme am I doing inside of my shape? A cool color scheme. So before I even get started coloring, I'm going to pull out all of my crayons that have to do with a cool color scheme. And if you are not sure, I will be glad to help you. Okay, so I'm going to keep my warm colors in there, and I'll have my cool colors out here so I'm not even tempted to make a mistake. And I'm going to just randomly color in these squares. Do not color inside your tree. Color what's not outlined in Sharpie. So I colored this spot blue here. Now I'm going to go to another random spot with this same color, and I'm coloring inside the shape. You probably want to kind of outline around it so you can not worry about going outside the lines as much. All right. And just keep going. Change colors. Make sure you are coloring neatly. This project is not going to look good if you carelessly color like that. All right, see how much better this looks? So really take your time. All right, so let's pretend that I've colored this whole thing now, and I've colored it neatly. If I used a cool color scheme for the inside of my tree, what do I need to do for the outside of my tree? You only have one option. You use a warm color scheme. So, like we said, pretend all this is colored and get out your warm colors. Red, orange, yellow, pink. Okay? Just make sure when you use pink that you're choosing the hot pink, the bright pink, and not this purpley pink. This purpley pink is a cool color. This hot pink is a warm color. Okay? And then you will just do the same thing. Randomly color all of the squares in the background. And this is going to take you a little bit of time, but I promise you it is worth it. All right, you know I'm fine with taking a little quick break, shaking your hand out, standing up, stretching, whatever you need to do to make sure you can get all of this done. All right, these are going to be amazing. I cannot wait to see them, and I can't wait for you to get started. So let's do it.